Are your skincare products not working? You're spending all this money, but your skin still isn't glowing? What if I told you it's not your products? It's these 11 common mistakes almost everyone makes without even realizing it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Glow Fresh. Today, we're exposing the top skincare sins that are holding your skin back, and most importantly, exactly how to fix every single one of them. Mistake number 1, over-cleansing. Washing your face too many times strips your skin's natural protective oils, leaving it dry, irritated, and actually more oily to compensate. The fix? Just twice a day, morning and night. Mistake number 2, skipping sunscreen. This is the biggest one. Sunscreen isn't just for sunny days. UV rays cause wrinkles, dark spots, and damage every single day. The fix? Make a broad spectrum SPF 30 plus your non-negotiable final step every single morning. Mistake number 3, product overload. Serum stacking, more like skin shocking. Using too many active products at once can overwhelm your barrier, leading to redness and sensitivity. The fix? Keep it simple. Cleanse, treat with one active, moisturize, protect. Mistake number 4, makeup removal. Fail. Sleeping with makeup is a cardinal skincare sin. It clogs pores and leads to breakouts. The fix? Double cleanse. Start with an oil or balm to melt makeup, then follow with a gentle water-based cleanser. Mistake number 5, over-exfoliating. Scrubbing your face every day feels productive, but it's destroying your skin barrier. The fix? Exfoliate just 2 to 3 times a week max. Your skin needs time to repair itself. Mistake number 6, picking equal to scarring. I know it's tempting, but picking spreads bacteria and causes scars that last for months. The fix? Hero patches. They absorb gunk, reduce inflammation, and heal pimples without the damage. Mistake number 7, don't forget neck and hands. Your face looks young, but your neck and hands can betray your age. The fix? Extend your skincare down your neck and onto the backs of your hands every single time. Mistake number 8, hot water strips oil. Hot water feels amazing, but it strips your skin's natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. The fix? Always wash your face with lukewarm water. Mistake number 9, I'm too oily for moisturizer. Oily skin needs moisturizer too. Skipping it can actually make your skin produce even more oil to compensate. The fix? Use a lightweight, oil-free, or gel-based moisturizer. Mistake number 10, no patience. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Most products need 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use to show real results. The fix? Be patient and trust the process. Mistake number 11, dirty pillowcase equal to breakouts. This is a sneaky one. Your pillowcase collects oil, sweat, and bacteria every night, which can clog your pores and cause breakouts. The fix? Change your pillowcase at least once a week. So there you have it, 11 mistakes and how to fix them. Which one are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.